Well, the Alabama Department of Public Health is reporting high rates of one particular sexually transmitted disease. WVTM 13 Chip Scarborough joining us live in Birmingham tonight. Chip, can you explain why it's particularly troubling for expectant moms?
Yeah, Ian, doctors on the local and state level telling me tonight they're seeing a troubling trend with pregnant women being infected with syphilis and then passing it along to their unborn babies. The Jefferson County Department of Health reports an overall increase in sexually transmitted diseases, including syphilis and gonorrhea. Dr. Wesley Williford says chlamydia is the only one physicians haven't seen an increase in.
Locally, what we've been seeing is that we've been seeing a lot more syphilis than we had in previous years. And concerningly, what we worry about with syphilis is when it sometimes gets to a pregnant mother.
It's a condition known as congenital syphilis. Doctors say it can be devastating for the child, causing stillbirth or permanent developmental delays. The Alabama Department of Public Health says congenital syphilis is a problem statewide.
We're at some of the highest rates we've ever seen. Congenital syphilis is primarily reflects an increase in the number of syphilis cases in adults, which makes sense.
Physicians say it's a bacteria that's easily treatable if it's diagnosed. Pregnant or not, doctors say it's important to get tested routinely for STDs if you're sexually active.
One thing with sexually transmitted infections, some of them really do not have a lot of symptoms. So some of the infections you may carry it around and not really know that you have it.
Physicians say talking about your sexual history can be uncomfortable, but they say it's extremely important in maintaining good health.
The other part of it is this, as a medical community, we're not the greatest at taking a sexual history.
And the Jefferson County Department of Health offers STD testing at all 3 of its locations. All you have to do is go to the health department's website and make an appointment. Live in Birmingham tonight, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.